Hello all, myself Madhvi Navarkar from Kekevak Polytechnic Nasik. Today we are going to see the video of first normal form in TPMS. This topic is related to normalization. In the previous video we have seen normalization. Normalization is the process of organizing the data in the database. It is basically used to minimize the redundancy from a table or multiple tables. It is also used to eliminate the insertion, updation, and deletion anomalies. So, the basic process of normalization is to reduce the redundancy in the table. And in normalization, the table is divided into smaller tables for just minimizing this redundancy. There are multiple types of normalization forms. That is 1NF, first normal form, 2NF, second normal form, 3NF, third normal form, BCNF, voice chord normal form. In this video, we are going to see the first normal form, that is 1NF. After this video, the students will learn the process of first normal form and how to remove the redundancy and data dependency using first normal form. Now we will see what is first normal form. This is the property of a relation or table in a relational database. A database is in first normal form means we can say that any database can be in first normal form if it is going to satisfy the following conditions. And those are the two conditions. First one is if it contains only atomic values. Now atomic means what? An atomic value is a value that cannot be divided. It means it can have only single value, or we can say that it can have single value attribute. It cannot be composite one. So the first condition for first normal form is that every column can contain a single value, not more than one. And the second condition is there are no repeating group. Now, repeating group means what? It is the repeating series of information in a database. Means there can be the unique values, or we can say that one column cannot be connected or related to another column. That is the repeating group. Now, we will see the example of first normal form. See, we have the table, that is table product, which is having the three columns: product ID, color, and price. Now, as we have seen the conditions of first normal form, and the first condition was atomic. Atomic means it cannot have two values, it can have only one value. But in this table, our first row for the color column is having two values, that is red and green. For the fourth row, again it is having two values. So this table, that is table product, is not in first normal form. So if we want to bring this table into first normal form, what we have to do? We have to divide this table into two tables so that the redundancy cannot be there and it should have only atomic values. So we will see how to split this table or how to break this table into two tables. Now see, in this I had divided that one table product into two tables, that is table product price and table product color. The first is having only product ID and price. And this table cannot have the redundancy also, and it can contain non-atomic values. Means it is having only single value attribute. And the second table is there, that is table product color. Now it is having the single value attribute and it is also not having the duplicate values. See, product ID is 1, its color is red. Product ID is 1 but its color is green. So in this case, suppose we are going to take the product ID as a primary key, then there may be duplicate values. But if we are going to take the primary key as product ID and color, then it can be what? It is going to satisfy the redundancy. Means it cannot contain the duplicate values. And as the two conditions of first normal form are satisfied, that is, every column contains the single value, it contains the atomic values, and there is no any repeating group. So this is the first normal form. So in this video we have seen what is first normal form, and for achieving the first normal form, how the table can be divided or table can be split into two tables. Thank you.